na fertilizer to help and grow better. So I just cover. I really want to make grow because I like as the flower being a very fine color. Let the girl talk. Ah, my yash don't tire. To sit down. Ooh. I don't even get up. The way yash for the pain person. My yash didn't know. See you. You'll see body. Anything when you ready, make you come. Okay. Do well. Good night. My people na do una we don't come my channel before welcome back. If not today na the first time we dey reach my channel, say na today be the first time we dey take your two kuru I see me. Now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Summer. Before I continue, may I just remind you, say see that red button there where they write subscribe. Press that button so that you can subscribe. After that, I make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload the video. Now so when I do well. So what I want to talk today about? What I want to talk today? I want to talk about how sometimes, no matter where you go, the person where you be inside your body, the real person where you be gong, as Yoruba go say gong, is still dead there. Me, my own I say I be village girl. I no fit deny that one. Me I be village girl. Even though I don't still reach abroad, I still say I still be village girl. Me I still feel say that village girl still dey my body. Before I go talk, you know what? Me I fit eat my food. Some people say they don't mind. And I talk say if I dey make video, I know they like make I dey do video. They talk, they talk, they chew food. I know if you say it dey nice for eye. It be as a get for eye. But some people say they don't mind. Me I mind because it be as you get. How you go to chew food if they talk? Things go to fly for your mouth. Another thing I say me, you know, say when you want eat in front of other people, you go to do one kind, you know, you go to want do form a jebo. You go to want to say you get man as small. But me, if I dey eat like bush person. Yeah, I know if they pretend because I know if they pretend because of YouTube. I dey eat like bush person. But when camera face you, how you want to eat like bush person in front of camera? You go call they want eat with manners because camera dey in front of your face. Me, I know you don't go really enjoy the food. You don't go really enjoy the food the way you want. You know. I be local babe. If I dey eat, I dey like to eat like local person. So now make I don't dey like make I make video. I go talk at the same time. I dey drink money. I dey drink. Oyibo go say hot chocolate. Nigeria go say Milo. But Milo na no what do they call it, like Milo and Bonvita. And I be this. And then I dey eat bagel. I dey eat bagel with avocado. I like avocado. Oh. I like avocado. The other day somebody post for Facebook say, you know how people take eat avocado. Say she know if you eat avocado. Now I say, hey, me I like avocado. I fit take a for inside smoothie on top of toast. And on the own, see my fruit basket. Make I show now my fruit basket. See my fruit basket. You dey see. Another that they say well. Now see my remaining avocado. You go see I still get. Avocado. Another one did another one did. Me, I know they take avocado play. I like avocado well. So I want eat my breakfast. You know what I like again about this time of the day? My children don't go school. Everybody don't come up for house. House go quiet. If the pin drops, you go here and listen. Oh, my fridge they make noise. My fridge they make noise. Is that the house quiet? No children, nothing. Now the best time of the day, no matter how the stress of your life, everything be, when house quiet like this, you sit down like this, food for your front, peace. You go just, you know, so sometimes when children day, was the mom this, mom that, you know that kind of thing, mom this, mom that, as you they try to eat your food, but there's nobody there, you go just sit down now, they eat they swallow, you know. So make I turn the camera off, make I eat. When I eat finish, I go talk to her. Huh? Don't tell me I dey chew like bush. I dey eat like bush person. I don't feel they eat for front of camera. I dey eat like bush. I dey eat like bush person. I beg. Make I turn off the camera. When I finish, I will turn the camera back on. My people, as I just turn the camera off, make I eat. Oh, I carry my phone. Now say me, I just read some of my comments. Make I reply to comment where I see the person say, "Ah, true." Say Elliot, you know, na go know the Elliot now the one where they resurrect for South Africa. The person leave comments. They ask me say, "Na true." Say Elliot don't die. Now I say, "He which one?" Be say Elliot don't die. Now I just say me, I Google am. I just Google and say Elliot Brighton Moyo. As I go, before I go even type and finish, I just type Elliot Brighton. Before I go even finish Brighton, and so it just come out dead because he don't die for real. The news at the thing can't weak me, eh? It can't the thing weak me. I just turn the camera back on. I can't do video for my other channel, so the thing just can't disturb my plan for the morning. But anyways, after that one, I can't go collect children for school. Now the day downstairs, so now make I come upstairs. See me, I can't finish this video. So I already started. Waiting, I have we won't talk. The matter I just can't weak, you know. I just can't weak. I just see read comment where people they live, you know. The thing weak me. Somebody will be South African. They ask me, say you sure? Say because he never hear for South Africa. But when he can't go check, he can't go check online. He can't say make I wait, make it go check. He can't go check. Come tell me say say the news full Zimbabwe. Say but the news no day in country. You know say the thing na fresh news. Me I leave that one. Waiting I ever be one talk self. Waiting I ever be one talk self. I be one talk about what be the thing will be there. This video, I want to talk about village girl. I want to talk about how person will go abroad, see they be village girl. I don't film this video before. After I go do my hair that day, I clean the video, but I no go upload that. So what I want to talk for this video now? How me will be say as I come up for Naija, I don't do abroad how many years? I don't do abroad 17 years now. 70 years. I feel say the village girl for my body never still come out. Me, as you see me, so my papa and mama now, I go call them village people because even though they be village people, but even though they born us for outside village, they born us for like me, they born me whether they stay for Lagos. But I feel say, and I can't grow up for Benin, but I still feel say village they my body well because you see another thing I say, my parents they outside village, but village they their own body well. So even though they city, they don't still forget where they're from. You know, it's the village, their village who them be, I want to tell their culture and everything, they their body well, and they still be local people. And another thing I won't talk again, I say because I don't film this video before, but I did it because the video no go well. Children just they distract me on that day. I filmed this video before, so I can't explain. Say, I make one video for my other channel. I can't talk say. They talk something about my mama. Anytime I deal with my mama, we go to get misunderstanding. Sometimes some of the way she dey reason now because she be village woman. So the way they tell reason different from us. So we say okay, we still day outside, we grow up outside village, or like me where I don't go abroad. We still think differently. I can't talk for that video. Say for example, my mama would complain. Say for example, you take so for example, you take wipes, they clean pikin yash. My mama go say, why you go use wipes? Why you no use bucket and why you no use water wash pikin yash? You know that kind of thing. She don't understand. Say wipes na still the same thing. Now that thing I mean when I talk say my mama na village woman. You know, because she still be village, you know, she be village woman and village they stay. Somebody calling me come and say, hey, say you I dey rude. Why I go call my mama village woman? Now I say he, my mama na village. What you want me I talk? My mama na village woman. No be say na I don't understand. If my mama na Lagos woman, now I go say my mama na Lagos woman. So let's say mama they live abroad. I can't do video. I can't say my mama na abroad woman. You know go be insult. But because I say my mama na village woman, somebody say I'm as insult. What it did here? What it would they bad to be village person? What it they bad? You know our mentality sometimes. For abroad, you go some people say, oh, I'm a countryman. Now be say they for their own they call village country. Go say I'm a countryman. I be nurse. For sometimes my patient would talk. Maybe that's what they go say. You know I'm from the country. Just like my person they say you know I'm from the village. Nothing dead here. But our people the way our people tell reason sometimes. When sometimes person say you be local person. If you really think the meaning of local person, it means say now for example if you be let's say they born you for London and London you grow up, your London be your culture or whatever. You say if you say you be local person, it means say you come from this locality. If you understand, it means say I come from this locality. I come from the like for example you okay, make I explain again. Say you dey waka somewhere, you come miss road, you come dey ask somebody say what be the road to so and so place, what be the way to so and so place. You understand? And everybody say I don't know road, that person I don't know. Oh wait, make I get one of the locals. Make I get one of the locals to tell you, or make I get one of the local people to tell you. You understand? It means that the people who say that they be the indigene of the place, you know that kind of thing. But our mentality is so the person leave me comment from my other channel. They tell me say I be rude person. He say I come my mama village woman. I say he, Mama no be abroad woman, mama na village woman, not a day. Even me, we are there abroad, so I see they see myself like village person. You see me, we grow up for Benin, we they speak our language for house, we they eat our local food, we they at the end of the day, as my parents be, they still pass that village thing for our body. Miss, as you see me now, forget say I dey abroad now. Before I learn to speak correct English, I don't reach maybe that kind of 12 years. Before I learned to speak correct English, I did 12 years, 12 or 13, because I remember say I did secondary school. Me in a pidgin I first learn. You understand? Now pidgin I be this as I be Igbo well. You know, the time of they grow for Lagos. But they say when I be small picky, say I speak Yoruba well, They say I speak well. When we can't go Benin now, you know, say for Benin, they don't they speak their language like that. Now pidgin English that they speak. Now so I just happy pidgin. Before I can learn correct English, I don't speak correct English for primary school. Me. Some people feel they speak for their house. Now life for my house now Igbo we they speak for house. We go speak Igbo. Our neighbors who we they follow play. We they speak pidgin English with them. So my English me as sabi for school self for to play for school everything. Now pidgin English people they speak. Now start sabi pidgin English pass anything. So now when I did around 12, 13, I could begin learning English. Even till today, me I still feel say my English no still no be like 100%. Me I say maybe my English na 80. No, make I say maybe my English na 90%. Me I talk like that 90%. But because say they still talk away, we say it go smooth. Now they take crossroad. You understand? Now because I they speak away, say as I speak, if I speak my English, I they speak away, be say it go smooth. Now that one they take crossroad. Me I know say my English still get as it still my English still needs improvement. But as small, not be saying anything. Small things. So I be local person, I be village person. Another thing my parents do well, even though we pack company when we small picking. My mama na real village woman. You know, see for my place, they know they let any land waste too. For Igbo land, any land where person no plant food, and the person will help you plant food. Let's say that they live for Lagos or live outside village, now no fit plant for our land. Another person go plant food, say I beg make they plant for your land. They know they like to see land they waste. When we come move go Benin, we they stay for Ogbe State outside. If you see the place where we they stay, our house that time, I don't talk before say we get money where before we reach where we really get money. Even though my parents still they local, I know those kind of local Igbos, but my papa get money because my papa na businessman. He get many shops. He get shop for Lagos. He get shop for Benin. You know that kind of the place where they stay very big compound. My mama say, you know if they let this land just the way, so mama just the plant. You just begin the plant. And papa can say no plant now. Nobody they plant around here. But you know they disgrace us. But they don't know. Papa say, make you know they disgrace us. But they don't know say we be village people. Mama say, no, I don't go let this land waste. Though. My mama papa say everywhere you go, you gonna do village woman. No plants. See all the neighbors. Nobody they plant. My mama say lie. They go plant. Oh, how this land go they waste? My mama come plant. My mama plant that first year. My papa say, now you sabi. My mama come plant. When we harvest, our neighbors, they move the harvest. Our neighbors, they gather for our fence. They look, say, They tell us, say, one of our neighbors, say, he be the son of the soil of that area. Say, nobody don't ever plant anything for that ground. Say, they never plant for that ground before. So, now the first time people, they plant for the ground be this. If you see the yam where they come up for the, you know, say, where land, they well nourished. The land, they never used them before. If you see the yam, I know they joke, no say sometimes let's the joke. This one is serious story. This one. If you see the yam, if you see the tuber of yam as it big, if you see cassava, I remember my younger brother that time about 5 years. They bring out this cassava, the cassava tall past my brother maybe 5 years. My papa they shocked, say, Now say, if you see the thing I said that land they so nourished because nobody do ever really cut. You know say Nigerian land they very fertile. But think that we say they never even use the nutrients ever before. They never use them, they never plant food. If you see the thing we harvest, our store with the store food full. That's what neighbors gather, they look or say, hey, the next year, now my papa now say, I'm not start. My papa say, make way. My papa close shop on Saturday, say today na farming day. The following year. And so the next thing, the neighboring land, and so we'll go pay. We can't pay to rent the neighboring land. We can't the plan put. The next thing, my papa girlfriend my papa girlfriend we get house for GRA. Plenty land where the man get. We go there, go the farm everywhere, but we just want farm everywhere. Now so me I tell learn to the idea say you put something inside ground, you go see and come out say now the thing we put for ground, I be this. I be this. My people, as I did abroad that many years, the thing still in my handle. Me, I still plant for this abroad. I dey plant corn. This my new house, I never plant corn. I don't already buy them. I won't plant corn, tomato. The weather still cold, so I never won't plant them. But I dey look whether anytime the weather improves, I go begin plant them. When I do farming before this abroad, my neighbors they shock. Onions, corn, tomato. I go to put the picture when I see all my crops. Tomato when I see all my plants. Tomato, not where I no plant. I still be village woman. I still be village. This my house now. this my new house now. I don't start small the the plant. Anytime I go shop, I go buy one flower, buy one thing. I just like the idea. Say I put something inside ground, it go just they grow. Whether na flower, whether na crop, whether they chop, and anything at all. So what I want to talk this video. What I want to talk now how no matter what thing, I be village person. I go Nigeria, I go visit my friend. I never go for a long time. My friend will be live together for Benin that time. Me and I they rent one room. They rent one room for New Benin side. They stay. I go visit her. When I call reach there, now she call tell me say, which kind of abroad self you self go? Now I say what happen? He said people who come from abroad go come abroad. They don't forget how to speak PG. They don't forget this one. They go and be like they call you do like Oyibo. You call you see they behave like you not even change at all. You see they speak PG like before. You even they behave like local person before. Now I say you see village. They don't feel come up village for my body. Even though I no day village still day my body. Now I make her tell say me I be village girl. For this abroad and they still speak PG no. No I notice how they speak for channel. Me, I know sabi to the form. They pretend like say I know this. Like say go pretend like say I know the shit. Now lie. Now local person you see so. So I people just make this video about how because the other way I go do my hair as I they come out, now I just think how say as me and I did as I go do my hair with the talk everything I PG. But I call it take my mind say you know if you come up PG from my mouth, possible. Now say me I just film for that place. Now come say me I do this video. Me I just talk how many people say they abroad, village come up for their body. They plenty. And me I be one of them. You where they watch me make you tell me. I don't fit change. I don't fit change. So I just say I do today video. I just tell you how I take day abroad though, but I still be village person. My people, now do when I go watch my video. Until next time, my people, na bye bye you, na bye bye.
Goodbye, friends, and goodbye, folks.